Hello guys, my name is Mohamed bin Alwan. My metric card number is D202020965333. My code in the subject is C12 and my course is Bachelor of Education, Mathematics with Honours.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Let me introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Hafiz bin Nur Haswari with metric number D2020209653 and my code is C15 and I'm from 8014 Bachelor of Education Mathematics with Hana. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Nur Izzati binti Abu Hussein. My metric number is D202020965575. My code is C29. I am studying in Bachelor of Education Mathematics.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Nur Hakim Akmal bin Saim. My metric card number is D202020970066. My code for this subject is C33 and my course is Degree Science Mathematics in Education.
Assalamualaikum and hello guys. I am Sir Izan and I will present to you about our first question. The question given, a curve is defined by the parametric equation x equal 4 sin 2t and y equal 2 cos 3t, where t larger than 0 and smaller than pi. The first question, find the points on the curves where the tangent is horizontal or vertical. Alright, first thing that we have to do is, we can use the special formula for the horizontal tangent line, which is dy over dt equal to 0. So now, we can differentiate the y equation. Hafiz, I would like to ask you what method that we can use here.
Yes, sir. We can use the method.
Wow, good job Hafiz, thank you. Now, we got dy over dt equal to negative 6 sin 3t. So, we can substitute it into the special formula, which is dy over dt equal to 0. And then, we got 3t equals sin negative 1, 0. From that, we can refer from the unit circle chart to find the t values. And then we got 4 values of t. And we choose 2. So, I would like to ask Zati, why we only choose 2 values of t rather than 4?
Yes, sir. It is because the others are not in the range.
Good job, Zati. Thank you. Alright, now we got the t values, so we can substitute it into the x and y equation like this to get the coordinates. Yes, so Hakim, do you know what is the coordinates for t equal pi over 3?
Yes, I know, sir. It's 2 square root 3 negative 2.
Good job, Hakim. So now, when the t equal 2 pi over 3, I want Hafiz to give me the coordinates.
Just easy, sir. We got negative 2 square root 3 and 2.
Good job, Hafiz. Thank you. Thus, the points of horizontal tangent line are 2 square root 3 negative 2 and negative 2 square root 3 2. Now, we move to the vertical tangent line. Alright, Hakim, do you know what is the special formula for the vertical tangent line?
I know, sir. Dx over dt equal to 0.
Wow, good job, Hakim. Thank you. So, we can just do the same like before for the vertical tangent line. Here we are using the chain rule formula to find the differentiation of the x equation, and we got dx over dt equal to 8 cos 2t. And then we equal it to the 0, and we got 2t equal cos negative 1 theta. Now we can refer from the unit circle chart to find the t values. And we got 2 values of t, which is pi over 4 and 3 pi over 4. Now, we can substitute both values of t into the x and y equation. Alright, like this. We substitute the t values into x and y equation. Okay, now, Zati, I would like to ask you, what is the final answer for the coordinate of vertical tangent line?
Yes, sir. So the final answer is 4 negative square root 2 and negative 4 square root 2.
Good job, Zati. Excellent. Thus, the points of vertical tangent line are 4 negative square root 2 and negative 4 square root 2. That's all from me for question 1A. Now, we can proceed to the next question.
For question 1b, question us to find the equation of the tangent to the curve in the second quadrant when y equal to 0. Give the answer in short form. So, when y equal to 0, y is 2 cos 3t. Therefore, 2 cos 3t equal to 0. We simplify it and it becomes cos 3t equal to 0. Since the range t is t larger than pi over 2 and smaller than pi, so we substitute t with the value from second quadrant. We have to get 0 after we substitute t with the value of second quadrant. Then we get the value of t is 5 over 6. Next, we find dy over dx. Exactly how to find dy over dx?
I know, sir. We can use chain rule method.
Great, isn't it? So for dy over dx, we got negative 6 sine 3t over 8 cos 2t. From this equation, we simplify it and it becomes negative 3 sine 3t over 4 cos 2t. And then, for the next step, we substitute t from this equation with 5 pi over 6. Can someone help me to get the answer?
Me, sir. The answer we will get is negative 3 over 2.
Good job, Lisa. Therefore, the slope of the tangent is negative 3 over 2. For the value of x and y, we substitute t equal to 5 pi over 6 into the equation. So, for the value of x, we get negative 2 square root 3, and for y value, we get 0. Next, we almost done this equation. Now, we can find c-intercept by solving this equation. And finally, we know that the equation of the tangent is y equal to negative 3 over 2x minus 3 square root 3. We have done with this question. Now we move to the next question. For question 1c, we need to find second derivative when t equal to pi over 3. I think this is easy question for you guys since we have done before. Okay, how to solve this equation?
We can use second derivative to solve this question, sir.
Yes, clever boy. Okay, we need to apply second derivative formula to solve this equation before we substitute t value. After we solve it, now we can substitute t equal to pi over 3 into the equation. And the final answer we get 9 over 8 when t equal to pi over 3. And now, to proceed with question number 2, I bring for you guys Miss Izati.
Let's jump to the next question, which is 2A. Take a look in several seconds to understand the question. From the question, we know that it is asked for the gradient of the tangent line of the curve. Then we should interpret the tangent line. Anyone knows what formula we're going to use to find the gradient of the tangent line of the curve?
I know, miss. The formula is dy over dx equal dr over d theta sin theta plus r cos theta divide dr over d theta cos theta minus r sin theta.
Excellent, Hakim. What are you going to do next?
We will substitute the values dr over d theta equal negative 2 sin 2 theta.
Good job, Izan. Then we will use trigonometric identity. It substitute cos 2 theta with 2 cos square theta minus 1 and sin 2 theta with 2 sin theta cos theta. Hafiz, do you know what is the next step?
Yes, Miss. We can factorize cos theta and sin theta.
Great idea, Hafiz. I think we can substitute the value of theta now. Do you just agree?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
After that, we should simplify it
we can substitute R with 2 plus cos 2 theta.
Thank you, Ethan. After that, we're going to expand the equation. What we should do next?
I know, miss. We can substitute the value theta equal to pi over 4.
Thank you, Hafiz. We can simplify the equation and we will get y equal to square root 2. Therefore, the tangent line is a horizontal tangent at y equal to square root 2. Let's go to the next question, which is 2D. First things first, we should understand the question. In the question, the first thing is we should show that the curve is symmetric about y axis. As we know, the equation given is r equals to 2 plus cos 2 theta. Ethan, do you know what we should do to prove it is symmetric about y axis?
I'm not sure, miss.
How about you, Hakim?
I have an idea, miss. We can substitute theta with pi minus theta.
Good, Hakim. Thank you. Then we can expand the equation. As we know, cos negative cos 2 pi equals to 1 and cos negative 2 theta equals to cos theta. So we get back the original equation given that shows the curve is symmetric about y axis. How about the graph and the table?
For a table and graph, since r equals 2 plus cos 2 theta, we can construct a table. Here is a table for point theta and point r. And then we can draw a graph. Here is a graph that I sketched. And here is a graph from Desmos. Okay, now we continue with question C. Can someone read the question for me?
Me, sir. The question is, find the exact area of the region in the first quadrant bounded by the curve R.
Thank you, Izan. Zati, can you tell me the formula to find the area?
Of course, sir. Area equals to integration a to b 1 over 2 r square d theta.
Good answer, Zati. Then we substitute r in the equation given. After substitute, we have to do process u substitution by let u equal to theta. After that, substitute 2 theta with u and d theta with du over 2. And then we integrate it like usual. Okay, now I want to ask Hafiz the answer after we integrate it.
Yes, sir. The answer that I get is 1 over 4 in bracket cos u sin u plus u divided by 2 plus 4 sin u plus 4u.
That is a great answer, Hafiz. Thank you. Someone can help me to simplify it.
I know, sir. We will get cos 2 theta, sin 2 theta plus 2 theta divided by 8 plus sin 2 theta plus 2 theta.
Thank you, Zati. Okay, now we continue with point in the first quadrant to find the exact area. After we substitute theta with pi over 2 and 0, you will get the final answer. Izan, can you tell me the final answer?
Yes, of course, sir. The final answer for the exact area is 9 over 8 pi.
Excellent, Izan. Thank you. So, we have done with question number 2.
That's all from us.
Thank you.